Volunteer work to me requires compassion, passion, and unconditional love for others. It's heartening to see people of all walks of life come together to contribute to a cause that they feel strongly about. Hi, my name is Raymond. I'm a restaurateur and the founder of the Saturday Movement. The Saturday Movement is an initiative that provides food to elderly living in one-room rental flats. Every Saturday, we go door to door and provide them with bread and fruits to say hello and check on their mental well-being as well. It's interesting to see that we bring so much joy to their faces when we go visit them. And that really inspires us to want to do more, because that's something they're expecting each week, day in, day out. And it's been 10 years that we've been doing this, and they're still anticipating us to come and visit them with a nice big smiles and hellos, welcoming us into their community. The challenge is about finding like-minded and committed people with a heart for the elderly. Many people take volunteerism as a one-off. I've been there, I've done that. And it's much more than that. We are like family. And it means a lot to the beneficiaries when they see a familiar face week after week. I try to find a balance between my work, my restaurant, coordinating volunteers at the Saturday Movement, and various other initiatives that we do here for the elderly. But it's worth it when I see my volunteers with a passion to give back and wanting to do more each Saturday. And the joy of the elderly's faces says it all. And that really motivates me and all of us that are involved here to do more. This is a real Singapore which many do not see. Poverty is rampant in Singapore. We are so caught up in our daily lives and we do not realize there are less fortunate people around that might need help. And honestly, a little bit of everybody's time and love can make a bigger difference to our beneficiaries. It's especially inspiring when residents themselves join in and be a volunteer in this group. Well, I'm getting old and I hope this old won't last. I hope to continue empowering and inspiring others to do the same and reignite the caring kampung spirit that was once present in our community.